friends, I'm back again with a new topic. So, as we have discussed about mutual funds in our video, now we'll know about the types of mutual funds you can invest in depending upon your goals. So, whatever your goals or whatever you're planning about your goals, depending upon that, you can invest in any type of mutual fund. Now, in this video, we'll just discuss about the types of mutual fund. Because in our next video series, I will explain the types of mutual funds as well. So today, we'll just discuss about the points of mutual funds. So friends, GFS Wealth Creators welcomes you all with a new topic in continuation of mutual fund series. Now, we'll first know about the structure-based mutual fund, the option you get while investing in a mutual fund. So, there are three types of structure-based mutual funds. So if you're going ahead and planning to invest in a mutual fund, you'll get options in which you can invest in mutual funds. First is open-ended funds, second is closed-ended funds, and third is interval funds. So these are the three types of structure-based mutual funds. In our next video, I'll tell you what are open-ended funds, closed-ended and interval funds. Now friends, let's know the types of mutual funds. So, there are three types of mutual funds you can invest in. The first one is equity funds, in which you directly apply in stock market, share market through mutual funds. Second is debt funds, which are the safer funds in which you get a fixed rate of interest. And the third is hybrid funds, which also invest in stocks and debt funds as well. Now, I'll tell you that what is an equity fund. So, equity funds are mutual funds which invest majorly in equity stocks of the company. So, you're directly applying or through a mutual fund in equity stocks. Equity funds are considered to be risky, but they tend to give higher returns in long term. So they are riskier as well because you're directly applying in stock market, but it gives you excellent returns as well. So friends, there are 8 types of equity funds you can invest in, and they are: the first one is large cap fund, second is mid cap fund, third is small cap fund, fourth is sector fund, fifth is multi cap fund, sixth is dividend yield schemes, seventh is ELSS fund, and eighth is thematic fund. Now, I'll tell you what are these funds and how are they classified as large cap, mid cap or small cap funds in our next video. So, this was the types of equity funds. Now, let's know about a debt fund. So, what a debt fund is. Now, debt funds are mutual funds which usually invest in the government securities, corporate bonds, etc. So, it is a safer fund in which you get a fixed rate of interest. Now, debt funds are more stable and less volatile to the market conditions. So, if you are looking forward with low risk and do not want higher returns as well, and is acceptable with the lower returns, you should definitely opt for a debt fund. Now, debt funds are less risky than equity funds and the returns are also less. So, if you are not ready to take more risk, then you should also compromise on the returns as well. Now, debt funds also have their different types, and there are 16 types of debt funds. So the first is overnight fund, liquid fund, ultra short duration fund, low duration fund, money market fund, short duration fund, medium duration fund, medium to long duration fund, long duration fund, dynamic bond fund, corporate bond fund, credit risk fund, banking and PSU fund, gilt fund with 10 years constant duration, floater fund. So friends, these were the debt funds. Now we'll know about the last type of mutual funds, and that is a hybrid fund. Now, hybrid funds are mutual funds which was also known as exchange traded funds that invest in more than one type of investment security such as stock and bonds. This makes hybrid funds outstanding for a standalone option, good funds for beginners, and crore holdings in a complete portfolio of a mutual fund. So if you're a beginner and you're first time applying for a mutual fund, so it is a good option to invest in hybrid funds. So friends, there are 7 types of hybrid funds, and they are conservative hybrid funds, balanced hybrid funds, aggressive hybrid funds, dynamic asset allocation or balanced advantage fund, multi-asset allocation fund, arbitrage fund, equity savings fund. So these were the types of hybrid funds. So friends, this was all about the types of mutual funds, and in our next video I'll explain you the types of mutual funds as well. So keep watching our next videos as well, and if you have any queries, please call us on the given number and WhatsApp on the same number. Do not forget to press the bell icon to subscribe our channel and like our video as well. Thank you friends.